Introducing the Xiaomi Redmi 9A, your perfect companion for a powerful and immersive experience. Dive into the virtual world with a massive 6.53-inch HD plus dot-drop display. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing, the FHD Plus Eye Care display ensures a comfortable and immersive viewing experience. Say goodbye to frequent charging with the Redmi 9A's incredible 5,000 mAh battery. Enjoy up to 34 days of standby time and a charge cycle count that keeps your phone running strong for over 2.5 years. Experience seamless performance with the MediaTek Helio G25 processor. Whether it's multitasking or gaming, the Hyper-Engine game technology delivers fluid and responsive gameplay. Capture life's moments in stunning detail with the 13 megapixels AI rear camera and 5 megapixels selfie camera. From vibrant landscapes to beautiful portraits, the Redmi 9A has got you covered. Not just powerful, but also beautiful. The Redmi 9A features a sleek 3D unibody design that feels great in your hand and is built to last. Choose your style with the elegant granite gray color and other stunning variants. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year international warranty, ensuring your Redmi 9A is always protected. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A. Power, performance, and reliability in one amazing package. Available now at Xiaomi Philippines. Get yours today. The product link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more updates and amazing gadgets. Thanks for watching.